Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove app drawer on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to remove the app drawer on your device can be useful if you prefer a simpler, more streamlined interface. Removing the app drawer can make accessing your apps quicker as they are all directly visible on the home screen. It can also make your device feel more organized and less cluttered. So let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu and then scroll down the page and select home screen option. So here, tap on the first one and select home screen only. Click apply option. Well, and then the app drawer on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove app drawer on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.